I've researched the whole, and finally I got a place where sky is the limit. It is none other than Ternopil State Medical University.
TDMU in general, the university is quite, they are quite accommodating, you know. They try to find out what their students want and try to work towards this. The teachers are very open, the teachers do pass across their knowledge, and some departments are really wonderful, like such as pediatrics, gynecology. Yeah, I would say it's been a great experience.
The departments, the faculties and the clinical subjects are really awesome. Faculties are very cooperative. Some departments like pediatrics, gynecology, internal medicine, surgery, psychiatry department, they are really awesome. The teachers, the faculty, they are very helpful, and I had a wonderful time here.
My name is I'm a 6-year medical student of Ternopil State Medical University. I'm also the basic life support instructor of Ukrainian Resuscitation Council. So right now we are located in the simulation center TSMU. This is the simulation center of Ternopil State Medical University. This center was created approximately 2 years ago, and now the students of different faculties from all over our university have the great opportunity to have their practical classes here in this center.
The university provides with 24-hour security, and the hostel facility is so wonderful here. We have separate toilet for girls and boys, rooms for girls and boys, separately.
Indian foods are available, which is cooked by man. Very delicious food, and if you feel bored, you can go and play. The grounds are available behind the hostel, and you have securities, which is 24-hour securities. You have separate car for everyone, and because that no strangers can enter into the hostel, we feel very secure here.
If you have a dream of becoming a doctor, Ternopil State Medical University is the best that can happen to you.